Stop wiring two search systems together. Postgres can do hybrid RAG in one query. You will walk away able to reason about and build a single Postgres query that blends keyword recall with semantic similarity. So retrieval for RAG is simpler and faster. I'm Professor Pi, teaching AI engineering and LLM systems with simple Python. Hybrid search matters because real questions need both exact matches and semantic neighbors. Developers often bolt together a vector store and a text search engine, and then juggle two result sets. That adds latency and complexity during retrieval and during evaluation. Success looks like fewer moving parts, reproducible rankings, and easy tuning of how much you trust words versus meaning. Postgres is a great fit because it already stores text and supports full text search. The pgvector extension adds compact embeddings. Together, you can compute a single score inside the database and return results with one round trip. For small to medium data, this reduces system complexity and keeps latency predictable. At its heart, the idea is simple. We compute a keyword score and a vector similarity score for each document. Then we combine them with a weight. If you favor keywords, you'll get precise matches. If you favor vectors, you'll get semantically related passages. Think of it as mixing two signals into one rank that the retriever hands to the generator. We will build a tiny toy that shows this in action. It will connect to a local Postgres, create a small docs table with 3 rows, run a plain keyword query, run a pure vector nearest neighbor query, and finally run a hybrid query that fuses both signals into a single score. Keep your Python basics ready and imagine the vectors are short handcrafted numbers so results are stable. First, we will verify the database connection. This snippet opens a local PostgreSQL connection using psycopg and checks that the database is reachable. The variable con holds a live connection created with a local DSN, which keeps setup simple. A cursor is opened and the statement select one is executed to validate connectivity and a minimal query path. The value is retrieved with fetch1 into the variable OK, ensuring we have a concrete response. Finally, the code prints the ping status so you can confirm the client-server round trip worked. Seeing ping equals 1 means psycopg successfully connected and executed a query, so we can proceed with indexing and search. Next, we will prepare the database and seed a tiny corpus. This example prepares PostgreSQL for hybrid search by enabling the pgvector extension and seeding a small dataset using psycopg. The first execute ensures the vector type is available so we can store embeddings. The second execute creates a minimal docs table with a body column for text and a v column of fixed length vector 3. The final execute inserts 3 rows in a single values clause, each pairing short text with a compact, handcrafted embedding. These tiny, deterministic vectors make distance calculations simple and stable for the tutorial. The printed count confirms seeding succeeded, giving us a concrete base to query next. Now, we will run a straight keyword search to see what pure text retrieval prefers. This code performs full text retrieval in PostgreSQL, ranking matches by relevance. The query converts the body text to a TS vector and uses plain2TS query on the phrase Postgres search to build a safe, parsed search expression. The function tsRank computes a score R representing how well each document matches the terms. The where clause filters to matches, and order by RDESC body ACS returns the best hit deterministically. The cursor fetches a single row containing the body and its rank. The printed top result and score tell you which document pure keyword search prefers, and how strong the match is. Next, we will try a pure semantic nearest neighbor lookup using embeddings. This example runs a semantic nearest neighbor search in PostgreSQL using the pgvector operator. The parameter 0.2, 0.7 is a small query embedding, and v times ss computes L2 distance from each stored vector to that query. Ordering by d ascending returns the closest point first, with body as a tiebreaker for deterministic output. The variable d is a real-valued distance, which makes it easy to compare candidates on a numeric scale. If you nudge the query vector toward another document's embedding, the nearest neighbor will change, and distances to less similar items will increase. The printed body and distance show the top semantic match. Finally, we will combine both signals into a single hybrid score. This snippet blends PostgreSQL full-text relevance with pgvector similarity to produce a single hybrid score. The variable alpha controls the balance. TS rank from 2TS query English Postgres Retrieval captures keyword relevance, while 1 minus v ... turns distance into a similarity. The expression %sr plus 1%ss merges them as h and orders results by h descending, returning the best overall candidate. A lower alpha, like 0.2, favors embedding similarity and can surface semantically close items, even if keywords are partial. A higher alpha pushes results toward exact text matches, improving precision for strict queries. The printed hybrid score shows a fused ranking that supports robust RAG recall. If you map this toy to a real system, the same pattern holds. Replace 3 rows with a document store. Replace handcrafted vectors with model embeddings. Replace the simple query embedding with the embedding of the user question. The single SQL approach keeps retrieval deterministic and lets you tune the trade-off inside Postgres. Recap. What it is: a single Postgres query that mixes full-text rank and vector similarity. When to use it: when you want simpler architecture and controllable recall for RAG. One caveat: for very large corpora, you will still need ANN indexes or specialized vector services for performance. Next step: tune the alpha weight in the hybrid score to match your generator's needs, and measure how answer quality changes. If short, practical AI engineering helps, subscribe and watch the AI engineering videos.